Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the updated way to send a pin to your friends on Pinterest using the mobile app. Whether you found an inspiring recipe, a cool DIY project, or just something you want to share, sending pins is now easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap your profile picture again to access the Home Feed Tuner. This is where you can manage your feed preferences and get ready to share pins. Next, navigate to the Pins tab. This tab shows all the pins you've saved or created. Find the pin you want to send to a friend and press and hold it. That's called a long press. Holding the pin will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, tap on the option labeled Send. This will open a new screen where you can choose how to share your pin. If you want to send it directly to someone on Pinterest, simply select a Pinterest friend from your contacts list. Pinterest makes it easy to find friends you follow or who follow you, so you can quickly pick the right person. If you prefer to share the pin through another app, like messaging, email, or social media, just tap Choose Another App. This will open your phone's Share menu, allowing you to pick any app installed on your device to send the pin link. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can share your favorite Pinterest finds with friends, whether inside the app or through your favorite messaging platforms. This updated method makes sharing more flexible and convenient than ever before. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!